A landmark case has kicked off in Hong Kong with a Filipina domestic helper making a legal bid for permanent residency. The case has sparked heated debate as its outcome will set a precedent in Hong Kong.
The lawyers of Evangeline Banao Vallejos arrived at Hong Kong's High Court to kick off a landmark case. Ms. Vallejos, who has been a Filipino domestic helper in the territory for 25 years, launched the judicial review after the city's immigration department refused to grant her permanent residency. If successful, this would mark the first time a migrant domestic worker would have the right of abode after living in Hong Kong for a certain number of years rather than through marriage or birth.
We're not right after any extra or extraordinary privilege, but we're only after fair treatment.
Under Hong Kong's mini-constitution, the Basic Law, one can gain permanent residency after living continuously in the territory for 7 years. However, the city's immigration law excludes the 292,000 foreign domestic helpers, stating that they are not considered to be ordinarily resident. Lawyers of Vallejos said the immigration provision is discriminatory and unconstitutional.
I think it has a strong legal argument, and it's an important fundamental rights issue.
However, the government's lawyer argued that foreign domestic helpers are not working in Hong Kong under ordinary circumstances. He listed unique limits imposed on them, such as living in an employer's home, not being allowed to establish their own household with their family, and maintaining links to their home of origin by returning every 2 years. The pro-government DAB party says granting the right of abode could open the floodgates to an influx of 500,000 people, including the children and spouses of the helpers.
Leslie Tang, Channel News Asia, Hong Kong.